You cannot be a king with no money, but you can become a king on your road to getting money. You cannot wake up and think that you are king and have no money. If you have no money, then get you some, because no matter what you think, a king has wealth. Even if you don't have money, you have to think that you have money to get the money. That's how a king thinks. No matter what, your mindset must be set on getting as wealthy as possible. What is the money for, you might ask? The money is to grow, the money is to build, and not just yourself, but the people that are around you. Just in case you are wondering, yes, money means you're going to attract a lot of women, but you have to choose the right women to be around you, especially if you have money. You can't just have money and throw it around and end up with the wrong women. That means the wrong energy, which leads to the downfall of your kingdom. You are king. You don't have time to be broke. It's not an option. If you are broke right now, then understand this is your sign to step up, young king. The broke feeling should disgust you so much that you can barely sleep at night. On your path to wealth, you will experience loneliness, pain, and a lot of frustration. But on the other end, you will come out a well-educated, powerful king. You have to feel your way to the money. You have to be connected. If you are a true king, then you're on the right path by receiving this message. You must apply the motivation you are feeling right now and take action. Don't you dare say you don't know what to do or where to start. If that is your mindset, then you are nowhere close to becoming a king. Apply these next 5 steps if you're really ready to take on the wealth of a king. 1. Find what you love to do. Whatever you do without really any effort and actually brings you some type of joy is what you should focus on. 2. Become the absolute best in what you do. Study your craft, learn from the greats in your field. 3. Invest in your craft. Pay to get that knowledge. Pay to get the tools needed to become the best. Show off your skills as much as you can. Marketing is easy. If you love what you do, you will do it every day. 4. Give your gift away for free when you first start out. You must plant your seed in order for it to grow, no matter if it costs or not. 5. Thank God every day for blessing you with your gift. You see, it's not so much of the money that's important, it's about the journey. The development process is what will make you a true wealthy king, not the money.